Vancouver rundown for Thursday, November 6, 2025. Brace for more stormy weather. Coastal areas of the Lower Mainland, Sunshine Coast, and Vancouver and Gulf Islands are expected to be hit with several bands of heavy rainfall and strong winds starting Thursday morning and continuing into the weekend. A rainfall warning is in effect for the North Shore, Port Moody and Coquitlam. A second system is expected to ramp up late Sunday night and go into Monday morning. Other news, a weekend train derailment near Kamloops did in fact cause an environmental emergency. Officials now confirm close to 12,700 liters of aviation fuel spilled when 17 cars of a Canadian Pacific Kansas City train left the tracks next to Kamloops Lake. One empty rail car remains in the lake. The provincial government is waiting for the results of water samples taken near the site. City Council has approved a large increase to both Vancouver's police and fire budgets. It comes after the Vancouver Police Department went $17 million over budget last year, while Vancouver Fire went close to $5 million in the red. The VPD is also asking for a $500 million operating budget next year. An iconic Vancouver radio station is moving its studio location, combining its physical newsroom with the company TV station. AM 1130 News Radio Vancouver is abandoning its facilities at 2440 Ash and moving to the older City TV location at 180 West 2nd Avenue. Vancouver Rundown has learned staff were told weeks ago a move would be pending and have just learned it's taking place starting this week. The radio and TV stations are owned by Rogers, which once owned the building at Broadway and Ash, but became a tenant several years ago as the company sold off its Vancouver property. Possible showers on Thursday morning and then heavy rain by the afternoon. Gusty winds, a mix of clouds, showers, and heavy rain for Friday and Saturday. For all the details on these local Vancouver area stories, along with those links, go to vancouverrundown.substack.com.